Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from AS120 Part 4 Group 7. We will present on the topic Chapter 9, which is nuclear reaction, and the subtopic will be nuclear reactor. So for the next slide, we will introduce our group members.
This is our group member that will explain about nuclear reaction or nuclear reactor. First is Andi Akil Nazif bin Ikarim, Muhammad Syafiq Aikal bin Sofian, Kamalin Masura binti Fauzi, Nur Batrisha Alia binti Muhammad Azrin.
Nuclear reactor. What is nuclear reactor? Nuclear reactor is one type of machines that capable to start and manage self-sustaining series of nuclear fissions. Other than that, nuclear reactors are for utilized as energy sources for nuclear power plants, system for the reproduction of radioactive isotope, and as research equipment. But in this presentation, we will discuss only four uses of nuclear reactor, which is for nuclear power plants, medical, artificial element, and fusion reactor.
Hi, my name is Kamal Mastura and I am from AS120 Part 4 from Group 7. So I'll be talking about nuclear reactor, which is nuclear power plant. So the commonly well-known application of the nuclear reactor is nuclear power plant. So how it works, the heat from a nuclear reactor is used to produce steam. So the steam goes through a turbine which is attached to a generator, and then generator generates electricity.
So now I will explain the nuclear reactor and medical uses. First, the epithelial neutron beam generator may use a nuclear reactor to produce neutron beam. The neutron pass through by controlling from a shutter. Nuclear reactor in medical is used for the cancer treatment using neutron beam to kill the cancer cells. For example, the tumor patient receive radiation therapy with atomic particles called neutron. The neutron react with the boron to kill the tumor cell without harming normal cell.
Hello, my name is Andi Akil and I will explain about artificial elements. Artificial elements by using a nuclear reactor can be used to produce useful radioisotope such as xenon-133 and yttrium-90. Spent nuclear fuel is centrifuged to separate this isotope. Actually, spent nuclear fuel, occasionally called used nuclear fuel, is nuclear fuel that has been irradiated in a nuclear reactor, while centrifuge are cylindrical machines that spin uranium gas at high speeds to produce fuel for nuclear reactor or weapons. Other method to produce useful radioisotope is by using neutron bombardment to produce iodine-131, for example, and the production of radioisotope is applied in medicine, archaeology, and geology.
Hi, I'm Patricia. So, another type of nuclear reactor is a fusion reactor. Basically, a fusion reactor is different from a fission reactor. The main difference between these two processes is that fission involves dividing an atom into two or more smaller ones, whereas fusion involves joining two or more smaller atoms. The nuclear fusion is kept inside the plasma wall. By controlling the magnetic field, the plasma wall will be maintained in its shape. However, nuclear fusion is commercially unavailable as it needs a temperature of at least 100 million degrees Celsius, which is 6 times hotter than the core of the sun. To conclude, there are 4 types of nuclear reactors, which are nuclear power plant, medical, artificial element, and fusion reactor. All of these reactors are used to generate electricity, medical, produce artificial elements, and so much more.
Lastly, this is the list of references that we use for our presentation. So that's all from our group. Thank you for watching. Bye.